These are like friends of Finding Dory, right? They look so similar to him. Crazy fish. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've brought for you a very easy craft. But first, let me welcome you to my world, Disneyland. So as we are in Disneyland, I thought let's come up with a craft. So I've bought a craft for you guys. It's a very Disney-like craft, see? It's like, hey, I'm a little fishy. See, it's a moving, cute Disney fish. So what you need is glue, pencil, googly eyes or any eyes, you can do it with paper also, a normal green sheet and contrast to the A4 size sheet. So you can use any color, as I have used purple and red. In this one I'm using yellow and green. You can use any color but it should be contrast. So it look cute. So let's begin. So take your sheet and make it into a square. Now you don't need to throw this because it will be useful later. So let's keep it aside. Now what we have to do with the square sheet is fold it till this line, kind of like aeroplane style. It looks like a kite. Okay, so now let's open it and make it into a triangle. Now we are going to cut vertical cuts up to this line. So now we have to curve and make a line like this and cut it out. Now the body of our fish is ready. Now just fold it like this and the body of our fish is ready. See, it swims a lot. This one is a swimming fish. Now let's glue it. Ooh, swimming. So cute, right? I wonder how cute it's going to look after it's ready. Take the rectangular part of the sheet and then fold it like this. We need to fold it 3 times. 2, there. And now we need to cut it like this. Now we've got 2 nice and beautiful hearts, right? One we will cut into half. So we've got the fins and tail. Do like this and then stick it like this. Let's stick the tail. And now let's stick the fins. Now let's do the head. So first let's take the googly eyes and put glue on them. Now take the remaining part and make it like a circle type shape. See? Now that's going to be the mouth. Now I took a contrast color sheet and made it a little smaller size than this, and now we are going to stick it together. Tank is ready. Now let's stick it to our fish. We stuck it and our cute Disney fish is ready. These are like friends of Finding Dory, right? They look so similar to him. Crazy fish. Let's do our tin tin. Tin tin tin. Tin tin tin. Bye guys. Hope you see my channel again. And subscribe, like and share. Bye. And say bye to these fish. Bye.